If you need to remotely control your GoPro from far away to make your work more convenient and your workload way more easier, I have the old GoPro remote and the new GoPro remote, and in today's video we will be going over the differences between these two and what you should actually legit get. But before we get started, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. So, the difference between these GoPros and the older remote is the chargers. The chargers are really different. On the GoPro Hero 9 and above remote, is what I'm gonna call it, and this is the GoPro Hero 8 remote and below. So the like plug thing it's really weird on this older remote. It doesn't even look like a USB-C. It's not even a USB-C of any kind, and it's like a flat brick right here. So yeah, so how you plug this in is that you have to like unclip a random clip on the back of the GoPro remote, and then you gotta slip in like a key somehow, then that's how it works. And I don't even know the name of this, but this thing looks annoying. And it's from the past. This is a new remote, and the way that you charge it is just by opening up the latch, and it's just a USB-C port that everybody should be knowing by now. So it's very easy to load up power into these remotes, but the battery life amongst these two is incredibly different. On a newer remote, because it uses Bluetooth and not really Wi-Fi, it doesn't even use Wi-Fi, it uses Bluetooth to connect to the GoPro, but you have to make sure that you close it. They are both waterproof as long as you have the latches all closed around it. And really, for this GoPro, it's more than 20 minutes. It's like 90 minutes when you use it. Now, the way that you turn it on these controls are similar, but not so similar. So on the new GoPro remote, on the old GoPro remote, it would say mode. So we'll say mode right here. So you would click on that and then it will automatically turn on for you. Now on this one, the mode button is now on the very top. So when you click on that, it's gonna do the same thing into the two blinks. Yep, and it will tell you the battery life. Now on this new remote, you have to update the firmware. On the older GoPro, it's like, yeah, you can't even update a single thing about it. Now if I click on the settings icon, so there's a settings bar right here and there is a mode button right here. To turn off your GoPro, you would have to hold the mode button for 3 seconds. On this one, you just hit the mode button to shut off the whole thing. It will shut off all the GoPros. On this remote, you're able to go GoPro by GoPro, but it does work very similarly. They are way better. And this can actually connect up to 5 GoPros on the new model. On the old model, you can only connect up to 3 GoPros. But on the new model, you're able to set at least 5 GoPros on the new remote. And on the new remote, you're able to manage it solo. The GoPro solo. So you can have all 5 GoPros connected solo to this remote. And you're able to go into one of the GoPros to see its battery life when you are far away. So when you're able to control this from far away, it will totally help you way better than this remote. I've used both of these remotes in real life situations, and the remote that I love the most is a new remote. Because with this older remote, it will die off on you and you would have to have your power bank beside you all the time. The information displays on the new remote will actually tell you more information, such as battery life, how much space you have on your actual SD card, and its whole entire runtime with its like recording happening in place. Meanwhile, this old one, the screen is way smaller. If you can see between the two screens, there is a big comparison. So this is the old one, it's smaller, and this is the new one, it's way more bigger. With this older GoPro remote, the only thing that you can see is how you're able to take a photo, you're able to take a video, and how many videos you take. It won't tell you how much battery you have, only the remote battery. Well, there you go. If you have several GoPros, totally take advantage of the GoPro remote. Now, if you really like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next video.